Welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to use the separating funnel to do a liquid-liquid extraction to move your caffeine from the tea water to the dichloromethane solvent. When you come into the lab, you need to be wearing your lab coat fully done up and have your safety glasses on and over your eyes. All of the lab scripts contain COSH and risk assessment information, and you need to have read this before you start working. So it's now finished filtering, so this you don't need. This can now go in the bin. I'm just going to put that in there and put it out the way. So now when you're looking at your tea solution, it's not 200 mils. It's been heating for quite some time, so your volume will have decreased. Yours might be more or it might be less than what mine is. So we're going to extract this twice, and you're going to do it in 2 portions. So in total you're going to be doing the process that I'm going to show you 4 times. Twice with the first portion and twice with the second portion. So I'm going to pour roughly half of this solution into the top. So it's going to take the stopper out, and before I pour I'm going to double check that the out is closed, that the tap is completely shut, so that nothing comes out the bottom. So I'm just going to pour that in. So I say it's about half. Doesn't have to be exact. And now I'm going to add 15 mils of DCM. And DCM is more dense than water that your caffeine and tea are in, so it should go to the bottom layer. So now it's set up. Now for the liquid-liquid extraction you need to shake. So hold the stopper, make sure the tap's closed, and then shake it. You don't want to shake it loads, because if you overshake it you'll get an emulsion, but you need to shake it enough so that the caffeine moves from the water to the DCM. So let's give it a little bit more. If you feel the pressure's getting a build up, lift the stopper out and then do a little bit more. So I've shaken it, so now I'm going to put it back into the stand. I'm going to take the stopper out, and now you need to leave and wait until the 2 layers are visible. It's nearly at the stage where you can separate. So if I just do that again with the torch, you can see that it's now starting to get clear near where the tap is as the separation is happening. Now they've separated, and now it's time to take off the DCM. So we want to collect the bottom layer. So you put your conical under and drain off. Now mine's coming out quite clear. You might get a little bit of tea that comes through. That's fine, you can get rid of that when we get to the drying agent stage. Now with this being the first wash, I might leave in a little bit of DCM and only have it coming out clear, because I know I've got another wash. For the second wash, you can have a little bit of the tea come through, and I'm just going to show you what is not a problem. So that is a mix of DCM and tea. So just let it finish dripping. Just lift that. So there's a few drops of water that's gone through, That's not a problem, the drying agent will get rid of that. So that is the first wash. Now you're going to put another 50 mils of DCM in, shake it and extract into there, and then that can be discarded, and you'll come back and you'll use your second portion of tea water and you'll extract the caffeine out of this twice with DCM. Thanks for watching, and if you've any questions, send me an email.